National Teen Driver Safety Week kicks off with a bang. This week marks the beginning of National Teen Driver Safety Week, an annual campaign aimed at raising awareness and promoting safe driving practices among teenagers. Spearheaded by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, this year's initiative promises to be bigger and better than ever, featuring a multitude of events, social media campaigns, and educational programs designed to engage young drivers across the country. The excitement is palpable as schools, communities, and organizations join forces to shine a spotlight on teen driver safety. At the heart of this year's campaign are several innovative strategies that promise to capture the attention of teens and their families. Interactive workshops led by experienced driving instructors are being held nationwide, offering hands-on experience in handling real-life road scenarios. Additionally, a viral social media challenge has been launched with hashtags like #TeenDriverSafetyWeek 2024 trending across platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. This digital push aims to spread key safety messages far and wide while encouraging teens to share their own experiences behind the wheel. Backing these efforts is an impressive array of statistics highlighting both progress made and challenges ahead. According to recent data, teen driving fatalities have decreased by 20% over the past 5 years, thanks in part to heightened awareness efforts like these. However, teens still face higher crash rates than any other age group due to factors like inexperience and distractions from mobile devices. As we celebrate National Teen Driver Safety Week with enthusiasm and optimism, it remains clear that continued education and community involvement are crucial for ensuring safer roads for everyone.